This project is RFID and GSM attendance system with SMS notification. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with power supply 16:2 LCD. Here RFID and GSM modem connected to Arduino through UART. Battery is connected to Arduino digital pin here. Now power on this. On LCD, it is asking send a message to store mobile number. Now we have to send star mobile number in SMS to this GSM modem. Mobile number registered. Here we used this project for attendance system for schools, colleges or offices. Here we have 4 RFID cards. 3 RFID cards assigned to 3 children and 4th one is invalid. It's not assigned to anyone. If we swipe card 1 first time, then it takes as a entry, second time takes as a exit. Student 1. We can get status on LCD and SMS also. This one is the invalid card. For an invalid card, buzzer will on and notification SMS will come.